Shroomstomp here, and we are back on the ladder with this rain team. I haven't grown tired of it yet. I think it's still a lot of fun. And I don't know, have you played this team already? I feel like I have. At some point. Well, Mantine was really clutch in the last episode, and I kind of have that as in my mind right now. Can definitely do a lot of damage. The Azolf is kind of threatening because as a lead, and don't really know what to do about it. I think I'm just going for Polytoad. We can take an Earthquake. Yeah, that's a good trade, I think. Burn? No, okay, no burn. He will probably go for Stealth Walks, but I'm not going to risk it. Okay, he actually just went for Earthquake again. So the question is, do I go for... I don't think he will... Do I go for Water Attack or Hurricane? Yeah, I just go for Hurricane. 100% accuracy in the rain. Thought he might switch to Celesteela, but I mean, it's just as likely that I would have gone for Surf or something. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will go for put Surf in that thing actually, instead of Hydro Pump. Yeah, let's do that. Actually, I think that's a better idea. Okay, let's. I'll do that after the episode. I can't really type with my mouse activated to my iPad. My opponent taking his time. What is he thinking about? Okay, goes first to Scissor. I can't knock him out with Hydro Pump, I think. But he can do a lot of damage with knock off. So I think it's actually a decent play on my opponent's part. Do I need Mantine? Really? I don't know. It's pretty good again, especially because I can hit Keldeo with Hurricane. But it's not necessary. But now let's actually just go into Tentacruel. We are designed to take this on. If this is max speed, then it might just knock me out. It doesn't really have a switch into Scald here. No, I'm not sure. A Bullet Punch probably won't knock me out because we are max physical defense. Yeah, exactly. I'm just staying in there. Okay, nasty plot. Yeah, the unfortunate thing is that rain runs out the next turn, which means that I have to bring in Politoad, which is slower, so I can't really revenge kill that Pokemon right now. So anything my team is just kind of worthless. No, actually everything is pretty important, so can't. But now I have to think about what will I sack. You can just go for Side Shock and take a KO. I mean, Azumarill might tank one, but I don't think I want to give that much damage onto my Politoad. On the other hand, I mean, Ludicolo is also really good against him. Everything is pretty good against him. Although, no, I think Seismitoad is the worst against him because it can't really deal with Gyarados and lets the set up, so let's just Yeah, let's just sack the top. Actually, we don't sack it right here, but it does from life up. Let's counter Ludicolo, and let's go for Scald. We're kind of in the lead, so I don't want to do anything stupid. Yeah, we could have predicted and went for Leaf Storm, but that's also pretty good damage. And leftovers, okay, then it might be a sub-call mindset, which means it's not choice back, which means choice backs, and that means that Secret Sword won't outcome me. On the other hand, I think maintain is a switch, and so let's just do that. Air Slash, okay, that's interesting. Didn't think a leftover set would have that. We can just Hurricane, knock him out. Yeah, I didn't thought he would switch on to Celesteela, but was, I don't know, didn't want to predict. Let's just Hydro Pump. He might be faster if he's max speed Jolly, or nature that increases the speed, but he isn't, so we just knock him out. I will definitely put Surf on, definitely put Surf on Mantine, this is just way better. Or Scald. Yeah, I think actually Scald. Anyway, we'll see ourselves in the next episode, and yeah, I will just lose the team again. This is too much fun. At some point, I will switch out and do something more. Maybe a balanced team, maybe Sandstorm, maybe Hail as well. Maybe I have to try out every weather. I don't know, let's see. Bye bye.